It's Mocktail Monday and we have a frosty blue float that's perfect for winter. Hello and welcome to Mocktail Monday at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Today we have an easy float that looks like a winter wonderland. To make it, all you do is add a scoop of vanilla ice cream to a glass and fill with Frostie Blue Cream Soda, which is available online. Stay out of the cold and sip this instead. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.